Okay folks, here we have a 2016 Range Rover Sport. It's got fully loaded but doesn't come with Apple CarPlay. We have added Apple CarPlay to it now and it's working fine. So you can just swipe, go to Google Maps, which basically brings you back up to date. Come out here, come back. You've got your Apple Maps as well, so that's there for you. Come back out and then you've got your music. So pretty straightforward, your telephone, your messages, voice to text. If you're interested in something like this, give us a shout. Everything like the reverse cam, factory radio, all that still works. So if you're worried about that, you just go back and then you can just go home and you're back to your normal radio, or you just press the navigation, click CarPlay. It's wireless and wired, so never a problem. Get in touch, WAS B&B Audioconcepts 02920 707 275. Thank you very much for watching.